signature collection SLP 98V. One of the most energy efficient and quietest furnace you can buy, up to 98.2% energy efficiency, can save you over $800 a year depending on your annual fuel consumption. Unlike conventional single stage furnaces that always run at full speed, SLP 98V's variable speed blower quietly ramps up to the speed so there are no loud blast of air startup. Exclusive silent comfort technology further reduces sound levels, which make it work at only 50 decibels. While in fan-on mode, can provide continuous air filtration for 1/3 the cost at a standard single stage furnace. It has a precise comfort technology which can adjust its heating and air output to different levels. However, connecting it to the iComfort Wi-Fi thermostat allows output to be adjusted any levels between 35% and 100% in an increment of as low as only 1%. It comes in different sizes, in different capacity, starting from 70,000 BTU going and then the 90 and then 135,000 BTU and also 110. So if you want to know more about the Lennox products or know more about the SLP 98V, contact Cambridge Heating and Cooling or visit our website www.camheating.com or call our office at 416-750-4363.